Hey guys, here's everything I'm thinking about getting from Ernst. If I remember correctly, these will not fit the Socket Boss combo packs because they're 18 inch. Because my drawers are only 17 inches. So I guess that's not gonna work, sadly. Unless I can. I can get a bunch of the 13 inchers and make some work, honestly, thinking about it. Get the 13 inch, get a bunch of 13 inch ones, get a bunch of 13 inch and 8 inch. $13 and 8 inch. Yep, that seems like the only options. 13 inch and 8 inch only. I'm not gonna get these regular socket rails like these, the straight ones. I'd rather get the multi-row ones instead. So then it would be way better organized. So the 13 and 8 inchers are the only ones I'm gonna get. I just need to decide on what colors. So I will keep you guys posted because it's a slate gray setup I have. So it's gonna be tricky deciding on how I want to do it. So which means I'm probably gonna get rid of a bunch of the Harbor Freight stuff. No, I don't want the twist lock rails. Because that's gonna make it even more pain in the butt. Because then it's gonna be pretty much the same setup as what I already have. Just these cost more than what I bought from Harbor Freight. So, twist locks, no. Or I mean, I could get the smaller ones, even though that means I'm gonna need more of them. But then I can probably tightly pack them in easier, honestly, thinking about it. I'm just gonna have to think it through, guys. I kinda wanna switch all my stuff to Ernst, to be honest. But then if I do get anything, it's gonna be all magnetic, not the non-magnetic stuff, honestly. Or it may be the DuraPro HDs, I don't know. I'm just going to decide, guys. But then I will keep you guys posted. This is gonna be a fun time deciding this crap, guys. I'm sorry. Because I'm doing a bunch of changes now since finding out about this company. What accessories? Nah, I really don't need any of their accessories, to be honest. Really. Their accessory pack may be good, honestly, thinking about it. Socket organizer mounting kit. Unless you can mount it on side or some shit. I don't know. Ooh, 3/8 ratchet and extension tray. Oh, hell yeah. Side mount for ratchet and extension holder. Yes. For 1/4 inch and 3/8 and 1/2 inch. Oh yeah. Or the face mount versions. This is going to be expensive real quick, guys. I'm sorry. I'm thinking, socket clip ID labels really don't need, because if I face them just right, I can see the numbers on them. Ratchet extension trays, they only have them in 3/8. That's some bullcrap. I guess then I'll just get 3/8 ones then. Bulk rails, I'm confused on what they consider bulk. Why the... I guess you just have to buy the clips separate. That's the reason why they're so freaking cheap. So no point in that, guys. Bit boss? Oh yeah. I'm gonna have to look into those. Because then I could really clean up some room, I bet. No point in the bit bar. Because... I'll just have to think it through, guys. For this. No. The bit bar honestly is a better option than what I have right now. Because these could hold more bits, so that I won't need as many compared to what I already have. Bit buddy. Not worth it. What are the dimensions of the bit boss? No, these won't work because those are meant for 3/8. Damn it. Wait. Let me see what they dimension. Nope, not even worth it. The bit organizer as well, damn it. Some things are worth it, some things are not, from what it looks like. Damn, that sucks. Don't need this because I already have a way to store them. Because I just have them laying in one spot. So, seems like socket boss. Socket boss is the best way to go. I don't want the twist rails. Because it would make it way harder. And it would be pretty much almost the same exact setup as what I have. Just twist locks instead of the regular clips. So either Socket Boss or the DuraPro HD rails. I'm more likely leaning towards Socket Boss because it's multiple rows instead of just one row like how all my rails are. So I'll just have to think it through, guys, for this. I will be getting the... I mean, they had the smaller ones. Where the fuck were those? Yeah, the 13-inch. No, it's no. This would be a nicer setup, honestly. No, I'm just gonna go with the ones I found on Amazon instead. Let me try to find those again. But then I think they had the labels somewhere to where you can just label them. I think. So after all, I may not even get anything else from Ernst, to be honest. Or, I mean, I could get some stuff from Ernst, other stuff. I think the only thing is 3/8 ratcheting extension trays. Get a few of those. And honestly, thinking about it, I can probably get, did they? Yeah, the socket clip ID rail labels. Get those as well. And then get the socket rails that they sell. The, like the 3-row ones that are like the 8 or 9-inch. I'm just going to think it through, guys. So just give me some time. But I'm going to get the ratchet extension trays and the 3/8 drive. I wish they made them for 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch as well. So then it would make it way easier for me to have it separated between 1/4 inch, 3/8 and 1/2 inch. But I'll find some other companies that sell this stuff in 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch. So then hopefully you guys like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you get notified when I upload, live stream, make YouTube shorts. And keep an eye on the community tab till YouTube makes feature to where you get notified when I post on the community tab. Bye guys, peace, I'm out.